guys, it's Antony from Just Keep It Fresh. After a grueling 10 months wait, we finally got the Tesla Model Y Performance. Now, I'm sure you've seen a lot of Tesla Model Ys out there on the market or even on the streets, but these ones are the first batch of performance that has finally arrived in our workshop. Over here, you can tell by the wheels and the calipers, and in the back, we've also got the boot lid spoiler, which is carbon fiber, and it's just a little bit faster, a little bit. Most EVs are quite fast anyway. And hence, we're doing this video. So this car is actually in for a full front paint protection film, and the reason why we're optioning them for this, well, we actually picked this car up from the showroom. It was actually flawless, I think, because they know that it was going to come into our workshop. And so what we've done is we actually put it outside for a few days under the rain. It's been raining a few days, and then sunshine and rain. And we've actually got a lot of watermarks already accumulated on this body paint. And that's very normal, especially in Brisbane and Queensland condition. You will get paint on, you will get watermarks on this very quickly because of all the minerals that is inside rainwater. And also, with the excessive sunlight and excessive heat that we get during summer's time in Brisbane, they all turn into watermarks. Now, obviously, when you're driving this car, you will be driving quite fast, and there is no grille in the bumper. So what we'll be doing is we'll be covering this whole entire bonnet, the headlight, the bumper, the fenders, and the mirror caps with paint protection film to stop rock chips from accumulating on your beautiful brand new Tesla. Now, we got two Teslas here today. One is the Model Y and one is the Model 3. Now, the Model 3 is getting a completely different thing that this customer will only be driving it in city streets and around his area. So it's probably going to be a grocery shopping car. So he probably doesn't need PPF. But for those of you who will be driving on highways or excessive driving over 20, 30 kilometers a day, I think this would be a really, really good option for you. We've already taken off the badge on the front of the car. What we're going to be doing now is apply the PPF on the car and to show the difference between it being PPF'd and it not being PPF'd. Hopefully there's no difference because that's exactly what PPF is supposed to be, invisible protection for your car. Thank you guys.